Here's a 2010 GMC Terrain. This Terrain means more than just utility and capability. It's a strikingly designed crossover that bridges the gap between comfort and function. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual telescoping steering column, power heated mirrors, AM/FM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection reports GM has carved out good space inside a tidy package and fitted the Terrain with very comfortable front bucket seats and a rear bench with enough support. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.